guys, welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is a Valentine's haul from Target's Dollar Spot. I was in there the other day and they have so many wonderful items for Valentine's, and I'm really excited to show you what I found. Okay, the first thing that I found, and they had another version of this, was just these two little mugs. One has a heart and the others have XO. I think that's adorable. And it was $5. And I can't remember what the other ones were like. I think it was a different color and maybe had something else on this. But I love this one. This is plain, but I thought that would be so cute to drink soup out of, or some tea, just anything like that. I love these. And I love this pinkish color because for Valentine's, I'm really more of a pink person. I love red, but I'm more a pink person. So I picked that up, and then I found these, and these are really hard to see. This one says, "You are my favorite." I don't know if you'll even be able to see that on the camera. And then this just has the X and the O's, and they're glass. And they were $5 as well. And the same principle for this, we could drink our tea out of it. It's just so festive and fun. So you could even fix a little dessert in something like this. You might know my mind would go to sweets, okay? So I picked that up, and then I saw this and I thought that was so adorable, a little pink heart. I believe they had it in other colors. And it was $5. And you can just open this up. You could keep anything in it, really. And you can just store it in there like this. You could give someone something as a gift in it. I mean, there's so much you could do with this. And it even has a little to and from on here. So I thought that was really cute. And it would even be cute, you know, just decor to set around. So I like that. And then I saw this box. They had several different types. This was $3. And this just has on the side little X's and O's and hearts. And the top, this is all wood, has a heart. And I think I told you it's $3. And then this is really neat because this comes down like this, and then this slides open. And you could put something in it. You could use it as a shadow box. You could do so much with that, but I thought that was really cute. And they had other little designs, but I like this one the best, and I really don't remember what the others were. So I picked that up. Then I saw this, "Sending You Love." It looks like an envelope, and the back has a heart, and it's heavy cardboard, and this was $1. This is not bad for $1. I thought it was really cute. And I think they had different things on the other ones. I'm really not sure. A lot of mine had been picked over, but I loved this. I thought that was really cute. And then I picked up this little picture frame that just has XO on it with a dog inside. You could put anything you wanted in it. You could do anything with this. It was $3, and I love this really pretty pink around it. And it's, you know, it's not really big, but it's pretty big, so I loved that. And for $3, you can't beat it. And then I saw this string, and it says "Love Story" on that. And it has little clips, so you can hang pictures off of it. You could hang notes. You could hang anything. But I loved this too, and it's 72 inches in length, and it's just basically Valentine garland. And it was $5, but I thought that was really pretty, and I like this really pink and white string that goes with this. I really think that's pretty. And then, you know, I always make candy jars and things like that. Well, I didn't have any for Valentine's. So I saw these, and I thought these were so pretty. They're all glass. This has a heart. The top is red. It's sealed right now, and it was $3. And you can see this is pretty, it's pretty good size. and it would hold a lot of candy. Like we need it, okay? Then I saw this one too, and it says candy on it, and the top is more of a lighter pink than the other. The other was more of a reddish, not burgundy, but a deep red. This is more of a pink, and it was $3 as well. And these are kind of hefty, so I loved those. And then I picked up, they had several of these. They're little, they look like Scrabble tiles, and they're in this really cute little pouch, and they're wooden letters. And this one says, I heart, love, heart you, always, with a heart and an and, forever. And you can spell that out. I thought that was so sweet. And it was $3. So you get the tiles, the bag, and the complete saying. That is a good deal. And so I picked up another one, and this one just says, love, heart you, heart more, heart be, heart mine, with a heart. I thought that was really cute, and the bag looks the same, and then the front, you can see all the tiles. And like I said, they had several different sayings on these, and it was $3 as well. And then the last thing that I found is kind of unusual. I don't know if it was left over from Christmas and I missed it, but you could do so much with this. I have some ideas. I don't know if I'm going to keep it for later or if I'm going to use it now, but I thought this was adorable. It's this door, and this is all open, and it has this knob and has such pretty detail in here, and you can hang it. It already has the hanger, and it was $7. But this is so versatile. You could do a lot with this for many seasons. So I'm really not sure what I'm going to be doing with it, but I wanted to let you all know that you're getting a hauls today, which is Friday, and then I'll have my Cricut Monday, and then I will have another haul on Tuesday, and maybe next Friday, I'm not sure, and then we will start our DIYs, and naturally I'll have a planner on Wednesday. But the reason I'm doing these hauls is I was going to do them anyway, but I decided to put them all together because my family and I need to take care of something that we should have taken care of long ago, and we'll be very happy to finally take care of it. So we're going to be really busy, so I don't know, if I'll even be able to comment to you all. I will try. I know I'm a little behind right now, and I plan on trying to catch up. I'm filming this on Thursday, so I'm planning on catching up with that. So I just wanted to let you all know we are going to be doing DIYs. I can't wait. I have wonderful ideas for everything. But this one is from Target's Dollar Spot, like I said. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.